To your body when you eat oatmeal every day. We all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Many medical experts and nutritionists highly recommend that we should eat fruits and other healthy foods for breakfast, but did you know what will happen to your body if you eat oatmeal every day? This super healthy food is packed with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. People have learned to grow and harvest oats as a source of food and medicine for over 2,000 years. As we said, this super healthy food is loaded with healthy nutrients and it can be used for many different ailments such as intestinal problems, nerve problems, etc. Here's what happens to your body when you eat oatmeal every day. Note before we start, you should know that there are some health conditions, for example gout, that won't benefit from this oatmeal diet. Well, this means that if you have some health problems, then you should consult your doctor before you make some diet changes. Nutritional benefits of eating oatmeal every day. Let me say a few words about this super healthy food. You should know that oatmeal is a whole grain that contains 13 grams of protein in one small half-cup serving. Did you know that 1/4 serving of oatmeal gives you almost 100% of your recommended daily intake of manganese? Oatmeal is loaded with antioxidants including vitamin E, tocotrienols, selenium, phenolic acids, and phytic acid. Oatmeal contains other healthy nutrients as well, such as vitamin B1, biotin, molybdenum, phosphorus, copper and magnesium, among many other phytonutrients. Changes you can see in your body when you eat oatmeal every day. The first and the best reason why you should consume oatmeal every day is that it can help prevent obesity and weight gain. The medical experts think that this is probably because the oatmeal will give you the feeling of satiety, which means that you will feel fuller for a long time. And this actually means that you won't eat too much and you will lose weight much faster. You should also know that oatmeal creates positive changes in your body in several ways and makes you feel full longer. You will notice that this super healthy food provides excellent low-level energy for a longer period of time. Another good thing is that oatmeal provides fiber to keep your stomach feeling full longer. You should eat a bowl of oatmeal every morning because it provides a good source of energy throughout the morning hours, without a dramatic increase or drop in blood sugar. You should know that this is because of the low glycemic impact, GI, on oatmeal, and it won't cause any dramatic increase or drop in the blood sugar levels. And this is amazing because if you are able to maintain lower blood sugar levels over a longer period of time, it will help your body to regulate insulin usage. As we mentioned before, the low GI of oatmeal helps you avoid cravings due to a drop in blood sugar. Without the low blood sugar cravings, we are less likely to reach for our favorite comfort food. You should also know that the daily caloric impact of an oatmeal breakfast is huge, and this super healthy food may help you decrease your total daily calories by as much as 81%. The medical experts say that oatmeal prevented people from over-consuming calories at later meals in a study of high GI breakfasts versus low GI breakfast foods and the later caloric intake in the day. We all know that the other low-calorie, low-fat diet foods are not good at making us feel satisfied. And this super healthy food is an excellent choice because it provides that happy, satisfied, not hungry at all feeling, which also means that you will eat less throughout the rest of the day. This daily decrease in your need for calories will result in wonderful weight loss and fat loss changes in your body. Other health benefits of eating oatmeal every day. It will reduce your LDL cholesterol levels. Decreases the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Oatmeal will reduce the risk of heart failure significantly. It will boost your immune system. Oatmeal will help you regulate your blood sugar levels and reduce risk of developing diabetes type 2. Oatmeal is an excellent source of fiber which protects against breast cancer. Did you know that whole grain foods will protect against childhood asthma? Safe grain alternative for celiac disease sufferers or those who are avoiding gluten in their diets. It will extend the life expectancy. What you need to know about oat processing. Oat groats are the unflattened kernels which are very good and beneficial for using as a breakfast cereal or for stuffing. Steel-cut oats. Steel-cut oats are produced by running the grain through steel blades that thinly slices them, featuring a dense and chewy texture. Old-fashioned oats. These oats have a flatter shape that is the result of their being steamed and then rolled. Quick cooking oats. These oats are usually processed like old-fashioned oats, except they are cut finely before rolling. Instant oatmeal. The instant oatmeal product is produced by partially cooking the grains and then rolling them very thin. Oat bran. Oat bran is just the outer layer of the oat grain that resides under the hull. Note: you should know that you can use any of these oats and they are all healthy. But as we all know, when it comes to food, the less processing usually means a higher nutritional benefit. You can also add oats to your favorite protein shake smoothie or to your favorite yogurt. Look for creative ways to add this food that will make you feel full longer. Add some oats to your regular baking recipes, like muffins and cookies. Or you can try to use oatmeal as a grain replacement in any meal. Prepare your favorite quinoa recipe and substitute oatmeal as the grain. Enjoy the benefits of oatmeal. You will notice some significant results in just 2 weeks. You will be amazed by the results. This is why you should consume this super healthy food for breakfast every day. It will help you lose weight much faster and it will improve your health in general. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.